Going to show you now how to go and place a covered call. So we've gone into the portfolio tab in the Trader Workstation mobile app version. And you can see there at the moment in the middle of our screen, we've got a position here in Apple. So we just clicked on Apple. We bought it earlier on today just to show you how to go and place this covered call. So we own 200 shares. You can see we have 200 shares. So now if we want to go and trade that, we double tap on it and it'll bring us into this screen. You've seen this screen before in some of the other videos in the online trading course. So you have your chart at the middle of the window, you have a quote at the top of the bid and the ask, and down below you have some market data, and it's telling you as well how much stock that you own. But we're interested in trading the options here. We're going to sell a covered call. So let's imagine, for argument's sake, that Apple, you've owned it for a while and it's getting to 155. You want to sell it at 155. So you're going to sell the 155 covered call. So we're going to click on the top right there. You see the options button. So we're going to click on that. And that's going to open up. You'll see on the left hand side you see calls, and on the right hand side you see put options. So we're interested in selling call options. Now just above that as well, you're going to see the date, the expiry dates here. And you can see it's automatically gone to the June 16th expiry date, but we're going to go out another month here. So we're going to just roll that across and we're going to click on July the 21st. So we're going to go out an extra little bit of time here. So you can see on the left hand side, you've got all of your call options with the bid and the ask and the last price, and then in the middle you can see the strike price. So we're interested in the 155 strike. So we're going to come down to the 150 strike, and over we go to the left hand side. You can see that the bid ask is 299 stroke 3.05. So what does that mean? It means that we're going to sell this covered call and we're going to take in $2.99 per share for agreeing to sell our shares of Apple at 155. So we just click on the bid price here, which is 299, and you can see that a little window opens up here at the bottom, and it says there, it's giving you a tip there. Do you want to actually go and open up the strategy builder? We don't need to go and do that because we're actually going to do a more complex trade later on in like bull put spreads. But for this, all we're doing here is selling the call option. So we'll just click on sell. And you can see here straight away, it's brought up this Apple call option. You can see it's given us the current bid and the ask. It's changing from $3 to 305. We can see the account number and the quantity is 1. So remember, options are bought and sold in contracts, and one contract controls 100 shares of stock. So we've got 200 shares, so we'll do 2 contracts. The time in force is day, and we're going to choose a limit order here. Now, when you're trading options, we always suggest you use a limit order. But because we're just trying to demonstrate to you here how to get filled in this, we're actually going to click on market. But please remember, if this was in a real trade, we'd suggest that you click on limit here and you type in the limit price that you want to receive for selling the call option. But again, just to stress, this is because we're trying to demonstrate, we're trying to show you how easy it is to place this trade. We'll just click on market, and then we're just going to slide and submit to sell. So that order's gone into the market. We'll hear a little beep here now in a moment. We're now going to go back to our watch list. And we're going to see very quickly here now that you can see now we've got our position here on Apple. We've got an Apple 155, and you can see under the position here it's -2. That's because we sold the call options. We don't own them. So it becomes -2. Our position is -2. So what has happened now? In our cash section of our portfolio, we've actually got in 200 times $3, which is $600 into our account for just agreeing to buy our shares or sell our shares at 155. That's the price we were going to sell them at anyway. So just to go and show you the trade alert that we actually placed this trade, we go into orders and trades. You can see the trades that we've placed today. There's the stock that we bought earlier, the 200 shares, and look what we've gone and sold the 155 July 21st call option. So that's how easy it is for you. It's telling you the average price is $2.99 and the trading commissions that are there. That's how easy it is for you to go and sell a cover call on any particular stock using the Trader Workstation mobile application.